I'm Randeep Sudan. I'm the CEO and founder of a company called Multiverz.
Hi everyone, I'm Wasim. Growing up in South Africa, a major concern for myself and for many South Africans like myself, we face the challenge of security. In these communities, you will hear that crimes occur on a regular basis. I now, took an initiative to try and solve this problem. Like, what can we do? Who exactly can we align with? Who can we partner with to solve these sort of problems?
Very good. So I think we will start with a short presentation. So over to Vinny.
Thank you, Mr. Randeep. So I will begin with the presentation here. So before we go any further, we would just take a brief look at the current state of crime in South Africa, which is very serious. So as you can see from the statistics mentioned in this slide, it says 60% of urban residents in developing countries have been victim of crime, 70% of them in Latin America and Africa, so which is a very high number. So the crime crisis is actually, really a serious problem that needs to be addressed. And it starts with South Africa, though the solutions may not be limited to South Africa. They could be, replicated for other cities as well. And crime costs South Africa a huge amount, 10% of the GDP each year, according to the World Bank. Now, this challenge will be conducted in two phases. Phase one is an open innovation call for everybody, all innovators, students, professionals, startups, universities, everybody. And we have simplified the solution, and it is just a one-pager form where you will fill in how you would like to solve this problem. And then phase two would be by invite only for selected participants from phase one. Then this challenge is actually divided into four tracks, and you could choose one out of these four. The incentives for this are very lucrative, and they are very attractive for anybody. The challenge is simple to join. You can visit challenges.one here and look for the phase one Safer Cities challenge.
Because the challenge is global. It's looking at safer cities. Let's say if you are interested in a startup, idea. So what could be done is that there could be different models of collaboration. It may be possible to, join forces with Mr. Wasim's startup. And to that extent, it becomes easier, to get into and do stuff which is on a global scale.
South Africa is just one place where we can start piloting these ideas, because South Africa is a place which has a lot of these issues that even you might be facing. And we can always then take these ideas to the next city. And in the next city, that's how we can scale.
So I think I will just share with you one possible approach. So say if one is looking at innovation, how would we use ChatGPT or tools like that to innovate, to think brand new ideas? Let's try to talk to AI and see what might be the specializations and what might be the different perspectives from which you can look at the whole issue of safety and safer cities. So basically what we are saying is that we are looking at safer cities. There is this issue of crime. So from how many dimensions in terms of expertise could we potentially look at this problem? So let us now create some detailed profiles for each of these experts and what questions they should be looking at. And let's brainstorm for this particular innovation persona. I've just taken one persona, and this can be done for every single persona, right? So you're looking at Global Innovation Director, right? So that's the context, and we are looking at game-changing ideas. So it is saying that game-changing sci-fi adjacent visions. So in the space of about, say, 5-10 minutes, what I showed you is that you can look at a problem or at the whole thing on safer cities, look at it from the perspective of multiple specializations. So these are just some ideas, but I hope this was helpful for you.
I'm really looking forward to hearing that, more ideas and everything.
Thank you.
So fantastic. And so thank you very much. I enjoyed this session, interacting with all of you. Thanks, Wasim. Thank you for
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Appreciate it.
Bye.